Good afternoon. I'm John Beachdale with Hitachi. We're here this afternoon to present a couple of new products to you. The first one I'm going to present is our new 8000 series installation projectors. This is the new 8000 series chassis. It comes in 7 flavors, 2 XGA, 2 WXGA, 2 WUXGA, and an SXGA Plus in the 4,000 to 6,000 lumens category. The new remote has some functions on it that you haven't seen from us before. If you look at the dimensions, you see it's a little bit larger, if you remember our previous installation series, in terms of horizontal width and depth. But the actual height of the projector is slimmer than anything that we've introduced in this category previously, so it will snug very close to the ceiling. If you notice, the chassis is all white and very clean looking. We've moved the controls, the power controls, the zoom controls, all of those things have gone to the back. The previous installation series projector was a manual focus, manual zoom, manual lens shift. With this projector, we've given you a center alignment on the lens. We've given you electronic focus, zoom, and lens shift. So no longer do you have to have somebody on board at the projector. You have a remote control that gets you where you need to go. The new control system we refer to here is already in place in the projectors that are coming into the country. As I mentioned before, we have the electronic shift, zoom, and focus with the new firmware being built into the projectors. Additionally, you have the ability to incrementally move the focus, so you have fine control of all those functions. With 2 HDMI inputs, you're ready for your computer, a Blu-ray disc, your document camera, anything you may need coming directly into the back of the projector, and you can do your switching there. As always, Hitachi has some of the most complete connectivity in the industry. We still have 2 VGAs, one of them on BNCs, so your legacy installations is covered. We've got audio in and out. There are 2 speakers that are front shooting out of the projector, and they are run on our 16-watt amplification system, and they're running true stereo. So it's a very complete, comprehensive system. As with most of Hitachi over the last several years, we've brought out with this our dual hybrid filter system, and we've added a high airflow filter to stop hairs and such from even entering the electrostatic portion of the filter. We anticipate that this filter will last the life of several lamps. In fact, at 15,000 hours in the standard model, 20,000 hours in the high performance models. This projector will operate pointed up, down, in any dimension, as well as obviously straight ahead, which is how we anticipate it being used to the most part. We've incorporated into this projector a DICOM simulation, which allows it to be used for grayscale medical images. That hasn't been the case with projectors previously. They were limited, and you didn't have the detail that you needed. With our extended grayscale now, that you can actually use them for medical school applications. With the addition of our wireless interactive USB adapter, this projector is now capable of being controlled via wireless network. So all of our network functions will now run wirelessly as well, including the content, the messaging, all of the things that we've been able to do with our network projectors for a while. As I pointed out, there will be 7 of these projectors, ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 lumens in all of the standard to be expected resolutions, XGA and up, including WUXGA. There will be a 4200 and a 5,000 lumens WUXGA. That's the 1920 by 1200 equivalent of high definition standard for a 16 by 10 aspect. For more information, reach out to your favorite touchboard sales rep.